The Companies Act previously demanded that no foreigner can register a company unless that foreigner has status in this country. Based with that reality, a Rwandese company called Stay Online decided that they need to extend to Kenya, Kenya being the country of choice for East African as the seat of commerce. That the resolution made one Desiree come to Kenya, but because of the law, he could not register the company. He had to register through a person who is a Kenyan. That Kenyan, Koome, the only input to that company was his national identification card. All the funds, all the technical know-how, all the day-to-day runnings of the company were known by the Rwandese investor. Then, as normal, and this is a wake-up call to everybody in this country, the Kenyan reached a point and said that the company is his. And this is a narrative, how foreigners have lost. We have asked this question, why is Kenya losing direct foreign investment to Tanzania, to Uganda? The reason is simple. When foreigners come here, they register a company by the name, using the name of a Kenyan, the Kenyan swindles them and they disappear. Aggrieved with this, the Kenyan government on the 19th of October 2023 amended the Companies Act and brought in the rules and the law that deals with beneficial ownership. Not only looking at whose birth certificate, whose national identification card was used to register company. So under the law that came into force on 19th of October 2023, our client Desiree lodged a complaint to the company's registry. The company registry investigated and reached a conclusion, as seen in the affidavit, that one Desiree was the beneficial owner of the company. We moved to the High Court. And this, for the record purposes, is the first case in the Republic of Kenya where the High Court has been called to determine two issues: who is a registered owner and who is the beneficial owner of the company. So we produced evidence that one Desiree was employed after studying in the US. He worked with a degree in digital sciences, a master's in digital sciences. He was employed in Canada in a fintech company. He took 10 years to conceptualize and develop an infrastructure called a gateway for payment online. After he finished that infrastructure, he went with that infrastructure to Rwanda and registered his company called Stay Online. He partnered with the Stay Online with other companies in Estonia, in Canada, and they started the business. Having succeeded in Rwanda, he came back to Kenya. He registered the company through Koome, who later the court has called he is a fraudster. Remember very well that Koome has been charged before a criminal court for having defrauded one Desiree. Today, the High Court, this is the third authority worldwide. The first case that has decided beneficial ownership is a case in the UK. The second case that has been used to decide beneficial ownership is an authority from Canada, and those are the two authorities we gave the judge and told the judge, this is the law. And the judge has agreed with us and has restored the company to our client. He has also restored the confidence of very many foreigners, very many investors. This is a company that within 3 months had accumulated over 400 million shillings from scratch. If it is going to run for another 10 years, we'll be talking of trillions of money coming to this country based on this company. This is a company whose projection was by now it could have employed 500 Kenyans, hustlers. They could have gotten jobs. And we'll be moving very fast to ensure that once the company starts running today or tomorrow, then many Kenyans are going to get a job. We praise the Kenyan judiciary. We praise the development of the law. We praise everything that has happened today